Dr. severe nystagmus in this patient, very dense cataract and iridia, complete iridia. The patient with very extensive cataract, both eyes and iridia, no iris and nystagmus.
Bye, Ashley.
Come on, this way. And here we are, doctor, in this case of nystagmus and iridia, dense cataract in this young girl. I'm using my globe stabilizer instrument that we designed. Guys, off to Honduras. Ashley, how are you?
Good.
Yes?
Yes.
Are you seeing a difference already?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Wonderful.
A lot different.
A lot. Very proud of you, Ashley. Very proud of you. Here she is, day one post-op. This is her eye before surgery, and today is day one. We will image her. Any pain at all?
No.
Lovely. You can still see the nystagmus going on right there as I go for imaging right there. Beautiful. For the nystagmus, we did her surgery yesterday when inside her eye did her white mature cataract with an iridia. There's no iris. And you can see the perfect placement of the toric lens right there. No sutures. And there she is, day one post-op.
She has to do her other eye, so do we have any perfect timing? To...
Let me recover. We'll do her other eye. We will, absolutely. Very good. And again, doctor, see the nystagmus going on, and we have the lens in position here. Ashley, how do you feel with the first eye done?
More better.
Yes.
Yes.
He has very advanced cataract with an iridia, no iris, with nystagmus congenital. Look at the eye movement, doctor. The nystagmus that's going on with her. And we used a special instrument I've designed to hold the eye while I was in her eye operating. Right? Open this eye. And here she still has the cataract for which she's come back. And we will do this eye next.
There we go.
Ashley, your second eye is done. Back to Honduras. Muy bien. All right, Miss Honduras. Second eye done. How do you feel?
Good.
Yes?
Yes. I feel better.
Already?
Yes.
Amazing. How many years of blindness, Ashley?
3.
So proud of you. Oh, Miss Honduras, how are you?
Good.
Yeah?
Yes.
Are you seeing already?
Yes.
Amazing.
Very good.
Muy bien. Muy bien, I love it. Love it. White cataracts with posterior polar changes, with no iris and iridia, with nystagmus, eyes moving like this, and amblyopia, lazy eye. But yet, I call this arrogance for vision in my courses. You want to go all out and help them. And again, topical, surgery, no stitches, high toric lens in place. That's the audacity, I call it, to aim for every drop. And your patient is always the one who will teach you, was it worth it? Is that correct, Ashley? Was it worth it?
Thank you, Doctor.
Congratulations.